Before installing any Spark Rapid Linc mechanical connector, proper fiber preparation is essential for optimal performance. First, place the shell of the connector on the cable. Next, using the JIC-375 3-hole fiber optic stripper, remove the outer jacket. Then, remove any strength members using the Jonard Tools JIC-186. Remove the buffer and coating to expose the bare glass. Be sure to follow the stripping length recommended in the connector instructions. Clean the fiber using a lint-free wipe and cleaning alcohol. Using the Jonard Tools Spark Blade Cleaver, cleave the fiber. Once the fiber is prepped, you're ready to insert into the Spark Rapid Linc mechanical connector. Remove the clip and tighten the shell onto the connector body. Strip, clean, cleave, and connect. It's that simple with the Spark Rapid Linc.